See, there is a pussycat going inside. See, there are a lot of empty places. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am the Night Owl Rider. So today I am riding for food. We are going to Shivaji Nagar. Let us see what we can get it over there. And right now the time is, let me see the time. It's 12:33. If you want to see, you could see. I don't know, you are able to see. Hey, endanu 12:37 the time is. So today we are going to have for food. Let's see what we can get at Shivaji Nagar. And the people who are really looking for night, this is one of the channel. I can show you many things at night. If you have any suggestion, anything, let me know. I'll change it through your comment box. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And one more thing, if you didn't like, just press the unlike button. I am okay with it. And let's see what we can get it today. So guys, we are going to have food. And we started the ride. And we are going. Let's see what I can get on Shivaji Nagar. Biryani, Kaikan. I am a lover of biryani. So finally I got a space to park my vehicle. So now we are at Shivaji Nagar street. So there are a lot of shops open, not few many shops are open. So there are few restaurants over there. There is one. So let us see what we can get at this point of time. So there are many things open, and now I'm shooting. This is after COVID. I don't know, people who are traveling and who are IT sector, going for work, coming back late home. If they are really wanted food, then who is nearby Shivaji Nagar, you can check out this place. This is beautiful place. So let me park my vehicle. I just got the space to park. So let me park my vehicle, then I'll start the proper thing. Where we'll go, we'll start from the scratch. So actually I don't have my side stand. You see that? If not, then I'm useless. So I have to get on like this. So finally I have parked it, locked it. Now first let's go to the stretch and see what we are gonna get. First let us look at to the stretch, what and all we'll get.
मसाला चिकन मसाला ये सब स्पेसी
ठीक है
मस्त डेगा की बहुत खादा
So we are now at Shivaji Nagar. We are at Kingswear. So that's the hotel name. It's an authentic ancient hotel. So they have got a number of things like CP, and they have got parotha, they have got biryani, they have got sheep kebab, then beef items, chicken items, few things like that. So I don't know what I'm gonna order now. So let me check with the waiter what he has. So he's an amazing, sweet-hearted guy. I'm just gonna call him. So they're making me feel like I'm at home. So they have given me that authentic plate what we use at home, not like a proper guest place. So they're giving me a feel of like at home. So I'm like searching. No one is here. So I'm the only person, and my friend Ajit is also here. So only we both are here at Shivaji Nagar. So I'm trying to tell you, the hotel is completely not like 5-star or not like a 3-star. It is completely like a normal shop, and it's run by a person. I don't know his name, so I have to check with him. So directly we came up to figure out what we can get.
टाइम
So now, yeah, when he told me about the time, I just remember. Now we are at 1:17. If you guys could see, we are at 1:17. So 117 we are at Shivaji Nagar. So as we have lot of restriction outside, so they asked me to not to shoot anything. So I'm shooting it on 1st of October. Today is 1st of October, so probably 2nd. Okay, today is Friday.
First.
So tomorrow I'll be posting. So what I'm gonna do is, let me figure out what I'll get. So let's see what I can get. See, there is a pussycat going inside. See, there are a lot of empty places. But it's nice, man. Once in a while trying in this kind of hotels. Good Muslim biryani, you'll get it. Let's see what you'll get. So finally the food have arrived. We have ordered 2 kushka, 1 sheikh kebab. So you could see both are here, and there is 2 type of curry. I hope this is the chicken sherwa, and this is something like a dal curry. So this is the main thing what we got at King's Fair. We are at Shivaji Nagar. So now even the time you could see 1:27. The time is 1:27. Let me see how the taste is, how the flavor is. See, I'm not a person who really cook, not a person who really into chef and all, but this is my just opinion how it is, what it is, and what you get at night. 1 o'clock, 1:27, 3 o'clock. The street is open. I'm not denying it. So now I could see it's too hot, so I'm just gonna try regularly how this is. Then I'll see how the sherwa with the dal curry. Then I'll tell you about the sheikh also. As usual, nothing great. Regular rice, good flavor, not too spicy, not too, like what I am telling you, too blunt also. Both are equal, fit into my mouth. And they have used some good rice itself, I feel so, which I am not knowledgeable of. I'll try one with the sherwa also, how it is. So this sherwa looks good. It's a thick gravy. Let me see the taste. You get a new flavor if you try with a sherwa. I could see that something like a tangy taste I could get. Somewhere like a tangy, then something like spicy you have, tangy you have like little salty taste. That's how what I feel. That is my personal opinion. They did not allow me to do the video of sheikh. That's, I don't know, they have told the owner have to know videos before itself, so nothing I can do about it. So now I'll try with, there is one more called dal curry. So dal, just pour 1 spoon of dal. Bhai, raita nahi hai. Raita. ठीक है. So I'm trying out with dal. It's like one regular authentic dal which we get at our parents make at home. I couldn't taste anything great. Nothing great with the dal. I could tell this sherwa was really good. Had the taste. The person who liked the tangy taste, he'll like it. Good food. They have a good quantity. They have given in a bowl. So I'm not speaking about other things which you could see the place. People who really love the food, they don't see the place. So I really love the food, I don't see the place. So I get into any of the stuffs, any places. It might be a local store near the, where I can tell you, near the street to the hi-fi restaurant.
I better taste this also.
Yes. You want me to try about sheikh? It's good. It's really nice. I could see that. I can't tell, it's crispy. It's nice. वो क्या है भैया?
स्पेसी ग्रेवी।
स्पाइसी ग्रेवी है भैया. We have got another gravy. I don't know why we have given that. Little thick. Yes. वो thick है. कुछ है. So thick gravy, red in color. Should have a tangy taste. Okay, I really loved it. Taste good, but not spicy. This is a little bit spicy. I'm a person who likes spicy, so it will go really good with me. Feel the spice, not too much, but to the standard level. Let me try sheikh, kushka and this special gravy what you have said. Sheikh is not overcooked or less cooked. It is perfectly cooked. Nothing great I could tell. Three makes a good combination. Three make a really good combination of sheikh. You could see a cat inside the box. That's really cat. There's a cat inside the hotel. First time. So let me finish this. Then I'll give you a proper touch. So these also should have. Then I should have. So let me have peacefully. So I'll if I'm ordering anything else from any other place, I'll give you. So I am in the last stage. Could see my plate. This is the kushka bowl, clean. This is also the kushka bowl, clean. The curries are still left over. This is where I got the sheikh. So I am in the final stage of completing the sheikh. See, at midnight what we had, we got the bill of 200. If you could see properly, the 200 rupees. The kushka cost is 50 for each, and sheikh cost for one plate, 4 pieces, that is 100. So each piece costs you 25 rupees.
Budget friendly.
Budget friendly hotel. Don't expect great. What you want, within 200 you can fill your stomach, have good food, go sleep peacefully. So I'm signing off. I'm the Night Owl Rider. I'll meet you in another vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If you do not like, dislike. I'm accept to take it. If you have anything, please comment it, so I'll make it next time. Thank you.